So now coming to the problem statement. So the statement of the problem happens to be there is no user data privacy in MongoDB. Not just the MongoDB, there is no user's data privacy in any of the big data. You know that this is the problem that I explained to you people earlier. And what are the existing systems available to solve this problem? There are some 3 solutions available to solve the problem. I mean, these 3 solutions will provide the encryption for the data stored in the database. Okay, but the drawback is that all these solutions are for relational databases. Okay, they cannot be applied over big data like MongoDB. So, and there is one more guy who proposed a solution for the MongoDB, but the drawback of this particular approach is it is not scalable. I mean, if the data size increases, that encryption, I mean that security feature also will be brought down. Okay, it cannot work on a huge amount of data. So we are going to propose a practical encrypted MongoDB. We in short call it a script MDB. So we are going to provide the data security and privacy for the user, making use of homomorphic asymmetric cryptography. And you people understood why we are using homomorphic over any other algorithms. So the advantage is that we are going to achieve the confidentiality of the user data. Like whatever data is stored in MongoDB, we are going to make sure only the owner of that data is able to read it, whereas others illegal access to the database will be avoided. And we are going to implement the system in such a way that it will also work the same way on the large scale data. So it doesn't matter how large your data set is, it should work in the same way.